On today's episode, we're going to be reviewing 2 tools for your car or truck that I think you're going to love. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House, Automotive Edition. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Truck or car accessory that I want to introduce to you guys is right here. They're retractable ratchet straps. They're by Rhino USA. And check this out, you're going to love how they work. All you got to do is press it like this, and they self-retract just like that. And maybe you want to consider using this instead of the old style ratchet straps. Let me show you. Let me discuss with you the old style ratchet straps. Get this super long strap and you don't really secure this. This is just gonna dangle in the wind or dangle on the side of your truck or your car, and it could get caught up in your wheel, which is very dangerous. The other thing design that I don't like about these old ratchet straps are the hooks. I don't know about you, but when I hook them and I get to the other side, pull it, it just falls off like that from its hook, making me have to go all the way back, rehook it, and yeah, it's just very frustrating. I get frustrated on these old style ratchet straps is that whenever I pull on it, it's hooked up, I loosen it a little bit, it does come off, but it's so hard to uncoil it from the roll. So what I end up doing is I take one of the straps like that, and that's how I end up unraveling it. I don't know if you do it the same way, but that's how I do it. So much excess that you might have. The excess, I have to wrap them up like this, and then I throw them in the back of my truck. So with these ratchet straps, you can already tell that the one thing that I really like about this is it has this hook stopper at the end, so that when you hook it up like that, no matter where you're moving around your truck, it doesn't come loose because it's already hooked and locked in place. So you don't have to worry about it coming loose. All you gotta do is push this button, let it come loose. Just like that. And you stop. That's it. Too much slack, push the button. It self-retracts, spring-loaded. Check it out again. Pull it up. All that slack, push the button, self-retracts. It's pretty cool. I like to fidget around. It's kind of like a fidget toy. But check this out. You can hook it up right here, push the button, it'll just coil up with the spring-loaded coil, and now you can manually ratchet it. Like so. There you go. Nice and clean, effortless, and you don't have that extra slack, that extra cord that's just dangling and whatnot. Everything is just nice and clean, well made. And now when you're ready to loosen up, you get to your destination, you want to unpack or unloosen everything, press the button, comes loose, and with one push of a button, there you go. In my opinion, these are game changers. These ratchet straps have gone through evolutions a long way, and these are great inventions, or whoever created this, thumbs up. It's so easy to use. You can get these in different lengths, and if you're interested on the different types that Rhino USA offers, I'll leave the link right here. You can check it out and try them out for yourself. Honestly, there are still uses for the old style ratchet straps, but for us DIYers that are just want to strap something behind our truck or our car, this would be the better alternative. Easier, cleaner, and easier to store away without the hassles and getting tangled and whatnot. Less problems. Hey there friends, sorry to interrupt, but if you're finding this video super helpful so far, please hit that like and subscribe button. It will greatly help out the channel. With that being said, let's get back to the video. So what I got here friends is the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. And let's check out what's inside. You get the main vacuum, and this is what makes this pretty cool. It has this attachment with a flexible and stretchable hose. These other massaging bristle brush. See how soft and massagey that looks? You got a little cleaning brush, charger, bristles, and all these other attachments right there. All you gotta do is press this button. It's already pretty strong. And when you press this again, it gets even stronger. Twist, pull out, and this is the main engine. Pull out easily, and then you can take all the dust that you collect and tap it out and put back the filter. Luckily there's 2 of the filters, so you can go exchange this out, push this out, and you can also empty it this way as well. So you gotta do is slide it out like that, get your replacement, and just easily slide it back in like that, and we're ready to go. Open and empty it. Now I want to try this hose attachment. So here's the ultimate test for the crevice tool. You know that this is the hardest part to get your vacuum through because it's so tight in there you can't fit a vacuum hose. An amazing job. Check it out. Cleaned out that corner, cleaned out this little pocket. Let's try the other side. Yep, did an amazing job. It got the hard to reach areas just right. Full blast mode, you get 13 minutes when it's fully charged, and if you go to eco mode, which is the first mode, it will last about 40 minutes. Guys, these are the 2 car truck accessories that I have for you today. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you want to try out, and if you already have this with you, leave it in the comment section down below what your experiences are on these. Are they worth it? Are they worth buying and trying out? For me personally, I really like both of them. I think they have their place when it comes to cars and trucks. My personal favorite is this Rhino USA, but if you are interested in any of these 2, I'll leave the links on the description down below. Leave in the comment section what you think of them. And again, once again, if you found this video super helpful, friends, please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you again on the next video.